Welcome back to another video. So I don't know if any of you will have saw a few videos back. I think it was an Amazon AliExpress haul. I got these. So these are Venalisa mud gels. I've been seeing these for about a year. I think I first saw these last year on AliExpress, I think it was. So yeah, there's 6 colours, a black, a white, a yellow, and these 3 kind of look like nudes. Maybe that's a deeper red. But these 2 are like nudes, aren't they? So I'm just going to give them a quick swatch. I'm not going to do anything with them. Just going to give them a quick swatch, yeah, because I want to see what the colours are like. I want to see what they're like compared with others that I've tried. They are quite small. They are teeny little pots. But these mud gels, a tiny bit does go a long way, doesn't it? So I'm just going to swatch them on these little swatch sticks. I've run out of stiletto swatch sticks. So they are 5 gram. I've already opened them, I think. Yeah, 5 gram, and you get this little lip. Can you see this little plastic lip? So you don't have to wipe your brush on the rim, because when you wipe your brush on the rim, it ends up going all in there. So I like that little lip. That's a nice colour. So yeah, I'm just going to give them a quick swatch. So I'm just going to use, this is just a little cheapo brush, but I love it for these mud gels because it's got a really soft, it's got really soft bristles. I find with these mud gels, if you use anything that's stiffer, it leaves brush strokes through. I find if you've got a really soft gel brush, I find they work much better with mud gels. So I'm going to need a couple of these because you have to wipe your brush off after every colour, which I hate. So the numbers are not in any particular order, so I'm just going to start with the lowest number and work my way up. So we're going to be starting with this one, V22. Oh, looks like a nice nude. So yeah, let's get these swatched. It's looking a little bit darker on camera than it is. It's not quite that dark, so let's just get a bit, shall we? Yeah, these mud gels, they don't move. These would be good for people that travel, you know, like nail techs, mobile nail techs, because you're never going to get any leakage, are you? So let's have a snozy at these. I've not base coated these tips or anything. Oh, these are very... Yeah, here we go. We've got a hair. Oh my god. These are very opaque. Yeah, I like them. Very smooth. Look at that. That covered fast, easy, smooth. I like it. I might have even put that on a bit thick, but... Right, I'm going to cure these for... doesn't say. So I'm going to just cure them like I would cure my others, 60 seconds. Right, V30. Let's try this one. Not going to put as much on my brush this time. Can you see I've took just a teeny little bit. Oh, these are nice actually. These are actually creamier and more opaque than some others I've tried recently. Yeah, I like that. Look at that. What does that look like? That's a really nice... This colour I love on my own nails. I do. I think it goes with my skin tone. That's a really pretty colour. I like it. Sorry guys, this is V39. This is a red, proper red. Red. I've hardly put anything on my brush as well. This is a bright red. I like it. Yeah, I've put a teeny tiny bit on my brush this time. And it's still spread and covered that full nail. Gosh, that's a bright red, isn't it? Look at that. I really like it. I do, I like it. Why is my camera so dark? Is it dark or is it me? Right, now we're going to do the black. I'm always curious to see what the black and the white is like. No matter what I'm swatching. Gels, hard gels, potted gels. I always like to see what the black and white's like. Right, let's see what this black one's saying. It's alright. They just spread forever, these mud gels, don't they? Yeah, they just spread forever. And there's the black. That's really opaque. That's completely covered that clear stick. It's a black, really deep, dark, black. Right, let's do the white. Again, it's very opaque. It is, it's alright. I'm quite impressed with these actually. See, this is another thing why I don't like using brushes. Once I've cleaned it a couple of times on the lint-free wipe, it's just full of frigging bits. I'm not picking them out. I'm definitely not picking them out. So that's the white. That's really opaque as well. I'm really impressed with these actually. Right, and lastly, let's do the yellow. Oh, that's a nice yellow. Bright yellow. I like that. I like that a lot. Like a sunflower. Do you know, I've not done a sunflower set yet. I could do with doing a sunflower set. Trying to get all the bits out of this brush. Guarantee there'll still be bits in it. This is a nice yellow. I like it. Well, this doesn't seem as opaque as the others. It doesn't seem as creamy. But it's still, I mean, it's still opaque. Still got really good coverage. I think two thin coats with all of them, you'd be alright. But yeah, that's not as opaque as the others, but it's still a really good strong colour, isn't it? But yeah, I think two thin coats on all of them. Right, I'm just going to give these a quick top coat and then we'll have a look at them. Right guys, that is them all swatched. I think it's a really bizarre, if that's the right word, set of colours, isn't it? A yellow, a white, a black, a bright red, and then a couple of kind of nudes. Actually, I wouldn't call that a nude because I use nudes. And I don't know if I'd use that. That's more like a brown, innit? But yeah, it's a really bizarre set of colours, isn't it? I love the three colours in the middle because they're staples, and that actually. Black, white, red, yellow. But I think this would have been a lot better if that was maybe a blue and a green. Just all primary colours with a black and a white maybe. Because you can mix any colour you wanted then, couldn't you, if that was a blue and a green. Yeah, I definitely would have preferred them to be a blue and a green. If you put in a set with a black, a white, a red and a yellow, then yeah, it needs a blue and a green, in my eyes anyway. But they are really nice to use actually. They're really creamy and opaque. I've tried a few of these solid cream gels and they've not been as opaque as I thought they would have been. But these ones are actually. The yellow was a little bit sheerer than the rest of them. But yeah, that's just all one coat. They're probably the most pigmented solid cream gels I've tried actually, to be fair. They're probably the most pigmented opaque ones I've tried recently. But yeah, I like them. I just wouldn't have chose these colours to go together. Let me know what you think, guys. But yeah, they get a thumbs up. I just don't like the colour combo. So I got these off Amazon. I'll leave the link below. I think they're on the Venalisa website as well. I don't have any discount codes for Venalisa. But yeah, I'll leave links below anyway. That's it for today, guys. Just a quick swatch video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.